In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp pop-up chat to your WordPress website with my sticky elements. So from inside my WordPress dashboard, I am going to come down to plugins, add new plugin, and in the search plugin empty field, I'm just going to type WhatsApp contact form. And now I'm going to scroll down a little bit here and I'm going to look for the one that I want. And as you can see, this one says my sticky elements. And it's called all-in-one sticky floating contact form, call, click to chat, and 50+ social icon tabs. This one is made by Gal Dubinsky, and the description says get leads with a floating contact form tab, chat, and social buttons like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, and more. So what I'm going to do is hit install now, and it's installing, and it's installed, so I'm just going to activate it. Now it has been active, and you can see that it plays the plugin under the my sticky elements section on the left tab, and it also comes up with a video, but I'm just going to exit out this video right now. Now I'm just going to clear some of these other announcement windows. I'm just closing this out here, just one as well. And as I scroll down, it seems to have a preview window with a WhatsApp icon and a contact us form icon. The contact us form seems to have several fields like name, phone, email, message, and the submit button. Seems to be that I can preview it on a desktop and a mobile device. So as I switch between the desktop and mobile, it just changes the size, but it's actually the same. And on the left seems to have the fields where I can change the settings. On the top, I have several tabs. I have add contact form. I have add chat and social media. I also have display and behavior settings and live chat. I'm currently on the add contact form tab. And the first option is show the contact form. It's on. If I turn it off, it will prompt me and ask me that if I want to disable the contact form. And as you can see, it has also disabled it from the live preview, and it's telling me that I am about to disable the contact form, and once it's disabled, the contact form will no longer be visible. Only the chat buttons or social channels will remain visible if they are enabled. For the sake of this video, I am really interested in going to the add chat and social media tab where I have several buttons including WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do is to disable this contact form. So I'm just going to say disable anyway. So all fields under this contact form has been disabled. And what I want to do now is to come over to the add chat and social media tab. And from there, you can see that I have a check mark underneath WhatsApp. If I added Facebook Messenger, it will most likely appear here. So as you can see, it has added Facebook Messenger, and you may have to upgrade to the Pro version to use some of these social media buttons. For example, this one, Facebook, it does prompt me to upgrade, so I'm not going to do that now. And this other one too, this is the SMS. So there's several of these that will prompt me to upgrade. In this case, I'm just going to disable this Facebook Messenger, and I'm just going to run with the WhatsApp social media button. So now I have this section where I can customize channel specific behavior for WhatsApp, and the first field is icon link, which seems to be a phone number. And if I point over this information button, it says add your full WhatsApp number with country code example, and it starts with a plus sign. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to start with a plus sign and enter my country code and my full WhatsApp number. Next option is open link in a new tab. You can enable or disable it if you wish. I'm just going to keep it disabled, and I'm going to open this arrow to see what are the settings under appearance. And the first one is the background color, so it's pretty obvious that it's this one here. If I touch this button, I'll get a color palette, and I can change it if I wish. What I will recommend you to do first is to just go ahead and copy the color just in case you want to change it, and then put it back to the same color it has. Then you can easily just paste the color. So I'm pretty much not going to change these settings. Icon color is white, as you can see here. Icon text color is also going to be white. Icon text is currently empty, and if I type something, I will see the changes here. So it probably doesn't fit, but I can just write something like help me. But as I said, it really doesn't look good, so I'm just going to leave it empty. Icon text size, flyout text, I'm just going to leave all these options as is. This option here, use WhatsApp web directly on desktop, I'm just going to go ahead and check this option. And as you recall, I am on the add chat and social media tab, so I'm just going to go ahead and advance to the display and behavior settings, or just hit next here. And on the templates, I have several options. It's set to default, but I can also put sharp or rounded. And as you can see, it changes on the right side, left, right, round. These are just options, display options. I'm just going to leave it default. Position on desktop, do you want it on the left or on the right or on the bottom? I'm just going to leave it left. Position on mobile, do you want it on the left or on the right? I will actually have to switch here to see the changes. So right, top, bottom. I'm just going to leave it on the left on mobile as well, or if you wish, you can have it on the right. I'm just going to change back to the desktop. Open tabs when hover click, I'm just going to leave that on hover. Font family, I'm not going to mess with that. Desktop widget size, mobile widget size, I'm just going to leave everything as is. And scrolling down a little bit here, these options will be available if you upgrade. For example, attention effect, it would probably trigger something like trembling or something like that. Display after X amount of seconds on the page. So if you prefer that the icon display only 10 or 20 seconds after being on the page, then you'll have to upgrade. Or for example, visible after scrolling on X percentage of the page. That's for the button to display when you scroll down, let's say 20% on the page, 30% on the page, and so on. This other option here, show on pages. So it will have some rules that you can set in order for it to display on X or Y page. Days and hours, you can set the days and the hours that you want your WhatsApp icon to appear to the public, as well as date scheduling, and also country targeting. Depending on the country that you are, you will be able to change the settings if you upgrade to the Pro version. Let me hit most settings here, and it does have even most settings if you upgrade to the Pro version. So I'm just going to leave all these settings here, and I am going to hit next. But this will prompt you to install a live chat plugin, and I'm not going to do that on this video. So what I'm going to do here is just hit save. And it's now time to see how this works on a desktop and a mobile device. So I'm currently on a desktop, and what I'm going to do is to load my WP Chat Solutions page. And as you can see, as soon as I load it, it does come up with the WhatsApp floating icon on the left side. And if I hit the WhatsApp icon here, it should open up on WhatsApp web. So it's now prompting me to open up on WhatsApp web. And as you can see, it takes me directly to WhatsApp web where I can type a message. So I will typically say, hello, I need to place an order. And as I hit the send button, the message has been sent. So it actually works on a desktop device. Let me just go ahead and see how it works on a mobile device. And now I'm on my mobile device, and from here, I'm just going to go to my WP Chat Solutions page. And as it loads up, I will expect to see the WhatsApp icon on the left, just like it has been configured. And if I touch the WhatsApp icon, it should take me directly to WhatsApp. And fair enough, I'm here on my WhatsApp, and I am going to type, hello, where are you located? And I'm going to hit the send button. And as you can see, the message has been sent. So as you can see, That is how you add a WhatsApp pop-up chat to your WordPress website with My Sticky Elements. But now, stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.